less, pull less. Hey guys, so I'm in quarantine now. I got to my hotel like maybe 45 minutes to an hour ago, and I'm gonna give you guys a hotel quarantine tour. So before we get started, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, let's go. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. That's the front door, and then there's just this thing for the light, and I think that says if the door is locked or not. And then, so this is the hallway. To the left is the toilet and the bathroom. It's a mess because I just had a shower just then. That's the shower. This way is the mirror, and the sink, and there's more things underneath. But yeah, and onto this side is the toilet. Nothing interesting in there, but yeah. And back this way to the hallway. Hi guys, it's me. There's just like a full-length mirror here. Oop. And back down we go. My foot. And then to the main part of it. My luggage, obviously, it's a mess. And there's the bed. I already made a mess because, you know, to do a lot of things. It's just like a really nice couch and a table, and there's a mirror here. Hi guys. Here's the bed again. Yeah, so that is the cupboard where I can hang my stuff. This is actually like a mini bar or fridge. And ta-da, there's the TV. There's a little desk area. And there's the outside. So this is the fridge slash bar thing. Hey guys. So just a water heater, the Nespresso coffee machine. Just somewhere to put stuff. And this is the fridge. There's like nothing in there at the moment. There's just water and that. And at the very bottom, there's this with all of this. So these are like the Nespresso things. And just sugar, tea, cutlery, and glasses, and all of that stuff. So I'm just going to talk to you guys about how the whole COVID safety thing like went down at the airport. Okay, so there actually wasn't that many different things. Like they did, as soon as the plane landed, we were greeted by staff, and as soon as we got out, they gave us like a paper that we had to fill out that said which hotel we were going to, and then we had to fill out our details and all of that. And yeah, so then after that we just had to do the normal things, do the immigration, get our luggage, and then line up so they could check our luggage and all of that. After that, we had to go line up again, and they asked us to fill out a form for the hotel. It was a form that we would give to the hotel as soon as we got here to make it easier for them, so they know who's staying in what room, and like just information about us if we have like any dietary requirements. And yeah, so we had to fill that out, and then a police officer had to sign some things, and then we had to line up again. And then this lady, I don't know who that lady was, she took a picture of our papers, and then she was like, okay, go, you can go out now. And then we waited for a bit so that everyone that was gonna get quarantined in this hotel would be together, and then after that we all went into a bus, and then they transported us here with police escort, and here I am now. Actually, we had to line up again. We had to do a lot of lineups. We had to line up to get like our key cards for the room, and then a lady gave us this like one by one, and then we had to go get our food because it was lunch, so we had to pick up this bag. Then they were like, just go up to your room, and then I'm here now. And also guys, I'm going to try to film like every day and post videos so that you guys can see what I do and what quarantine is like. And by the way, today is day 1 of quarantine. They said that the day that you get here is like included in your quarantine days. So I get out on the 28th of November, which is the day after my birthday, sadly. But that's good anyways, because we're here, we're safe. Let's just hope that I didn't get any virus while I was heading here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you get notified when I post a new video.